James Green, Short Serious Shenanigans. So, today's video I'm going to be going over some Drill Hog products. Now, for those of you that don't know, Drill Hog, yes, is actually made in Sunburst, Montana. Let me go ahead and give a little explanation because there's a lot of confusion out there. So, I reached out to Drill Hog about 4 years ago. They don't have an internet site, and it's really smart. To stay competitive in today's market, U.S. companies have to think outside the box. So they market on two places: Amazon, website's already set up, and eBay, keeping costs low overhead. Yes, it's U.S. made product. Now, since when they first started manufacturing stuff until now, the warranty process has changed. And I've gotten a lot of comments in other videos about they don't reach out via email. So let me go ahead and get this out front. They have a website, okay, that you go to. It's Drill Hog. Okay, let me go ahead and show this up here. 100% warranty with their items. And I'm going to read on the back of the card, it says, register your bits now. www.hogwarranty.com. Unregistered bits will not be covered under warranty. Okay, which means, alright, there you go. You can freeze it if you want to. So it used to be, old school, used to be you could email them, send them a picture. They figured out that was pretty overwhelming. So the original purchaser, like for example me, anytime you buy a Drill Hog item, okay, which we just recently acquired some, and my buddy Mike there at Drill Hog is phenomenal. He sent me something new, neat, and I don't know what it is. For example, they have Who-It boxes. Okay, you can get the stuff without. You can contact them, drillhog@gmail.com, if you want to. Let's say you wanted to order the bits that's in here, but you didn't want the box, or you want 50 of a certain size. You can contact them and they'll cut you a deal. So this is a left-hand niobium, okay, bit set from 1/16 to 1/4. Now I'm going to cover this up because I don't want you to have my serial number, but there's a tag inside the box, and underneath that barcode is a serial number. What you do is you go onto you go onto the warranty site, www, one word is hog, HODWARRANTY.com. Again, I'm going to show you up there to clarify confusion that's out there. Okay, 100% lifetime. We guarantee our bits against any breakage during the lifetime you own them. Send any broken drill bits back and we will replace them free of charge. Now, so go on the site, they give you, and I've got a whole list of stuff I need to send back. Not anybody can just send something in. It has to be registered to, like these, as soon as I get done, these sets are going to be registered to me, so if I happen to break them, and they're the niobium left hand, you know, they got different ones, M7. I've never had any niobium bits, but if you go on their website and read about it, I wanted to try. I've got some other of their left hand bits that are the Molly 7 or the M7, good stuff. But I've been very pleased with their stuff. Matter of fact, this is a box of the same. Let's just go ahead and open it up and I'll show you. And they send everything wrapped. It's awesome. I mean, they've really got, you guys know if you watch my channel for any amount of time, I'm a real stickler when it comes to packing stuff. So, what I was talking about, being competitive with the world market, they have a distribution center, which is smart. They have someone that they make everything in Montana, and the orders are then sent to Southern California, and that's where everything is, because it's an international hub. Lots of businesses ship stuff from there. It's just a good central location. Same thing, you get a card with all the deals. Same thing, the set. Now I already opened up the other set, but when you open up this set, see, they already come with paper in there. I don't want to cover up. So yeah, it already comes covered it because you saw me open it with, and I am going to go ahead and pull that off. Just, I mean, they, as far as I've seen tools packed new, these guys have got it going on. Now, Mike sent me something. He says, hey James, this is a new set called Pig Steel. See how you like them. Take care, buddy. Mike. That's Mike at Drill Hog. They're a sponsor of the Summer Bash. They have been for a while. They're awesome, you guys. Yes, I've had some of their bits break due to just normal wear and tear. They take care of you. I don't know of any other company that does not take care of you as far as warranting stuff. I notice I've had some people say, well, they look just like Norsemen or whatever, and they do. And I've had other people comment about how come they don't put you made in USA on the bits. So here's the thing. This is what it was explained to me. The process to do a lot of writing other than just the size on the real smaller bits, or even some of the other ones, depending on what type of bit and what's going on, that makes the cost go up. Okay, you got to be competitive in a world market. You know, China beats us up on all sorts of stuff. Hey, I got nothing against it. I have Chinese tools floating around here, Taiwanese. Some are great for the most part. Some are just crap, and I don't ever talk about them on my channel. So let's see what is in this little deal here. I have no idea what it is. It's the same card, same little box. I'm gonna have to label these separately. Drill Hog USA Pig Steel M60. It's got a different warranty tag, and they're left-hand bits as well too. Okay, same thing packed in there, but it says, so I'll cover up the number on it. So there's a new deal. What, you know, what it is and how they are, I don't know, but they are actually, no, they're regular right-hand bits. Okay, I thought they were left-hand. So they're regular right-hand bits, 1/16 through quarter. I'm going to do reviews on these guys. I'll find some stuff to drill in. So thank you very much, Mike. He's awesome. There's the little deal. I love their stuff. Matter of fact, I've been using it a lot here lately. Is their Made in USA, their burr set. Okay, they have a burr set. Again, this box may not be a Hewitt box, but I purchased and have been using the heck out of. Matter of fact, here's their older cards. I've got a bunch of those. Yeah, hogwarranty.com. Okay. Same thing. Comes with, and I'm going to cover it up. Comes with a serial number on there. These Carbide Burrs, these have been performing phenomenal. I've been using the heck out of them, especially this little small one here, like crazy, and it's been cutting great. These are double cut, you know, and we'll hang on to it if we break it. What I have found out, if you have more than just, say, one item of Drill Hog stuff that you use, that you like, and my camera's coming unplugged, there we go, that's working great, and let's say you break it. So what I'm going to do, so I don't send just one item off at a time, right before I moved, I went through, and I've got to find it again. I started making a list of, okay, this is broke, that, and put it all in, and I've got all my serial. Now I've got to go through and register 3 more serial numbers, and I've got some other stuff coming that he's sending me. That'll be here next week, and I'll do a whole separate deal on those. You guys, I've done videos on these way in the back. The only way now to warranty them, it has to be registered to you. Mail it to the address that's on the website. Go there, they have it. They have directions on how to deal with it, where to send it to. Matter of fact, I think I still have, because I've got a whole drawer full of it, what you need to do, or what I do. So on some items, they will send you a card, and it used to, and you may still have some out there that has, okay, that was from last year. So here's the address even though it was from an old one. I'm going to hold this up here. Here's the address where you mail everything to for warranty. Okay. You guys can freeze frame. I won't read it. That's where you mail everything to get it warranted. Okay. Alright. You can freeze that and see. On some of their items, they used to, and they may still do it, they would put, because I ordered some starter bits, okay, and different things, and they would put the serial number and then put it on a card, okay. And what I would do is I would write, so I would remember what that serial number was for. I just write it on the card. Again, I'm not going to show you my serial number because I don't want you guys out there registering my shit, because there are nefarious individuals out there, and I've got several of them. Like, for example, you know, some of these that are in the bags, okay, I went ahead and took, and that's what that card was for. These are starter bits, so if I ever break one, I slid it out, and I've got a little file, keep them. I mean, I even have, you know, some of their carbide bits. These things are awesome. And again, you've got the warranty tag on the back of the card. These are they tungsten carbide saw bits, and that's for having to cut through masonry or stuff like that where you need something really hard. They work great. But if you break it, hang on to it. And I've got a bag of all the broken stuff looking around here somewhere. You guys, they do honor the warranty, even if you break, and I have in the past. I'm just going over showing you. I've got both the metric and the imperial sets here that are the Allen head. They're awesome. I had one strip out. He sent me a new one. Yeah, you got to send him the old stuff back now. But I'm a fan of it. I love it. Everything I have purchased from them has worked great. My only horror story was, and it was my fault, I was drilling in some, this was last year before, so I was drilling in some 304 stainless, deep drilling. I had a 1/2 inch bit. My mom walked in. I wasn't paying attention because I was having to hunt peck, and I didn't pull the tailstock out of the lathe. Boom, it exploded. But that wasn't the failure of their part, it was just me. Contacted Mike, hey, I broke, blah 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 blah. Not a problem. I sent, at that time I had a whole package of stuff. I sent it into them. They come back to you first class mail, takes about a week. But again, like I said, I've been totally pleased with stuff. So there you go. Hopefully this has helped. I am going to set up and be doing some exact demonstrations of more of their bit, but basically I wanted to give a huge shout out. You guys, oh, let me show you these are, if you are doing lots of drilling in thin metal, okay, they have a straight fluted and the spiral fluted. The spiral fluted step bits, and they have the 3 flats on the back, okay, so you can put them in a keyless chuck drill. These are the bomb.com. Now this one is marked in imperial, and they have a larger one that's in metric that I have used, and it shows you drilling in thin sheet metal. Let's say for instance electricians, or you've got to make a hole a little bigger for, and I was just using this the other day. I had to make a hole a little bigger. It was for my compressor so I could put a string connector in there of one that I had, so I didn't have to go buy another one. Just put it in your drill. Again, it's got 3 flats, chuck it up. Works great. These are awesome. I will say, the spiral fluted ones, they will get with it, man. I mean, I've never sharpened that, and you know, regular bits get grabby. This one will too, but it works great. If you're always having to like make a hole like a size or 2 bigger instead of going to another bit, these are awesome. Or you just want to make some holes. Here's another small size that I'm using all the time. This one is a straight fluted. Matter of fact, that one I was using, and it's got the 3 flats too, I was using on the FE motor for removing the oil galley plugs where the lifters go threw it in there. Instead of doing the old tap and twist, I thought, well, let me try it. It worked great. It got down there, it got to the edge, it grabbed it, and it spun it, and I pulled right out. Awesome. So that's another use for it. If you're doing lots of engine building, instead of doing the punch and the twist and the whatever. Now, my block is totally open bare now. If you have you just need to replace that old galley plug because it's leaking, do the old-fashioned thing with the punch and twist and pull it out. This block's bare bones, gonna get vatted and all that, but great for pulling all the galley plugs out of a motor. That was awesome. So hopefully this video has been informative. You guys have learned a lot. I'm looking forward to using these. If it's just like any other product, I'm sure it's gonna do great. So there you go. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Link description. Again, eBay. The thing I like about eBay versus Amazon, eBay you can make an offer. You guys, they wheel and deal. Unlike some companies out there that say make an offer and then you're only like $2 off of the full price. It's like, no, these guys deal. They're all about you know, US business and doing good stuff. Good product. I've been happy with it. No complaints. Trust me, if I thought there was an issue, I'd call them out on it, but they've been great. They're awesome. Also, like I said earlier, if you were looking, now they don't have metric bits out yet that I'm aware of. I asked them about it, but they have letter, number, and 16th, you know, fractional sizes. The vast majority of your stuff, if you guys look at your drill chart, which I'm always looking at this one, okay, 115 piece set, fractional, letter, number, is going to do everything you need to do. Unless there's some oddball, exact, perfect metric size you need, then you're going to have to obviously order that bit. But 115 piece set from Drill Hog, it's phenomenal. It's great. It's good stuff. So yeah, there you go. If you guys got any questions, email me, eagledustoff37@gmail.com. Hopefully this has been very informative. I figure it was time to do a new updated video and show you some more of their product they sent me. They've got a lot of great stuff, guys. I'm telling you, the bang for your buck is awesome. I don't know of any other company out there right now. You send it back to them and they're going to take care of you to the original purchaser. I must emphasize that. I've had a lot of comments on my old channel and even the new one of, you know, people getting frustrated. You know, they didn't email me back and boo, blah, blah. You know, really, guys? So that's why I'm doing. And I know there was some stuff in the older videos, and I apologize about that. That's how they used to do the warranty process. So it's the new warranty process. www.hogwarranty.com. Register, you know, email address, your serial number, because when you purchased it from them, the name, okay, whether it was eBay or Amazon, they registered it to you, the original purchaser. So if you give it to your buddy and he tries to mail it in and say, they're just going to keep it. They're not going to be replaced, and they state that clearly on the website as well as on the packaging. So hopefully it's been helpful. And I've got some stuff coming up to where I am going to be doing some more drilling as usual. Teaser ahead, going to be doing lots of welding on an old stove. Got some gunsmithing stuff. Again, the 1903 Springfield build. I've got to finish my tailstock so I can get started on that. And I'll add more videos as they come up. I don't know if there's going to be any left-hand drilling required on any of that. Hopefully not. Because generally if you're doing left-handed drilling with the drill bit, it's because something's broke. So I may actually create and break something just to try these new bits, and we'll do the whole thing on video. That'd be a good video. But there you go. I'm excited. I'm over here looking because I'm fixing to shoot another video, and it's like, okay, I'm really excited. But I wanted to throw this one in the mix. Thank you to all my new YouTube subscribers. Again, huge shout out to Drill Hog. You guys are awesome. Go look them up. Amazon, eBay. I say eBay because you can make them an offer. Make them a fair offer, guys. Man, what can I say? Like I said, if they were junk, you would have never heard about it on my channel. And that's just how I am. So there you go. You guys get out in your garage, do something. James Green, Short Series Shenanigans. Take care of yourself and take care of your family, because remember, at the end of the day, you and your family is all you got. Till next time, get out in the garage. Maybe if you got to drill something, use some drill hog bits. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.